Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this credit or debit card requested fail. So if you are facing the same issue that you are going to add your credit or debit card and you will face this error, your request fail. So what you have to do is just tap on your profile icon, click on payment methods, exactly the same number on your card, and then the second option is and YY. So this is the expiry date of your card, so you have to make sure this you are entering the correct expiry date, and then CVV. So you have to make sure you enter the correct, then you have to enter the name, country, and postal code, province, all these things here. After this, if you tap on save, it will be saved. And if you're still facing the issue, that then what you can do is tap on your profile icon, click on this settings, and click on this about. You will see this Play Store version, so you have to tap on this update Play Store. You can see that I'm already using the latest version of Play Store, so you can check that your Play Store is updated or not. So after doing these things, you will be able to fix this credit card issue on your Play Store. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.